and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally, and in today's video I want to share with you a couple of different textile techniques which completely change the facade of smocking, Canadian smocking. So shall we get straight into it? This is well, I've adopted the name off a subscriber had said, oh, it looks like, and I've already done this piece, but I'm saving that because I'm doing something else with it. So I've made another mini one, and this one I've just drenched with water. I'm using a lovely over the top of this, and I'm going back to the dyes that I used the other video that I did. You get some gloves in there, and I've got the dyes ready to use, and I'm actually not sure which one I'm going to do out of these, but I might be influenced by some of the colours in this one. We shall see. So let's head outside because it's actually quite a warmish, sunny day. Okay then, so here is the Dragon Scales, and I'm just going to put the ice on the top. Hello Lila, you come to join me? Took a load of that on. Windy. And then put the dye in. She didn't like that. You didn't like that, Lola? Yellow, yeah. So I just kind of scrunched the fabric before I started. Got a bit of red there. Let's put you on a time lapse. Okie dokie, so all the ice is very nearly melted. Very nearly melted. And I'm going to leave that to sit for about 6 hours. So you can see it's all drained off. And yeah, we just need the colour to take now. I'm going to rinse this out with cold water. Okay, so we'll just leave this to dry out now. So here is the Dragon Scale Smocking with the Scrunch tie-dye ice dye effect. Looks kind of cool. I've ironed it a little bit to, I guess, just pull back some of the shapes here. After scrunching it, they sort of obviously lost their shape a little bit, so I've just ironed them back, and yeah, quite like it. Let me know what you think. So for the next one, I'm going to use this Box Smocking that I've already done here. I will link these videos down below because I've already made these smocking videos. It's more that I'm interested in the, I guess the just adding colour and dyeing the fabric. So today I am going to be using these Sharpie pens, and I'm going to be adding dots onto this piece, being influenced by, I've not decided yet, but I'm going to be picking up on some of the colours from one or two of these pieces here, and really just having a go to see what it would look like on this smocking. So I'm going to be using the Sharpie pens onto here, and I'm going to be using rubbing alcohol to disperse the colours. Okay, so this is a fun bit. I've got my rubbing alcohol, got my pipettes, and I'm just going to load it up and just drop a couple of drops into the centre of that circle there. And then I'm going to just do a few more drops on everywhere else. And the colour just disperses out. It's just brilliant. I love it. Look at that one now. I mean, you can really experiment with how much of the rubbing alcohol you drop onto there. See the different effects. That just looks beautiful, doesn't it? That's obviously just blending a couple of different colours. This is very calming. I'm enjoying this. Into the birds tweeting through the window. Nice and quiet. Seeing the effects of what the Sharpies have done. So I've just got it on a little plastic wallet just to contain the rubbing alcohol off the table. And you can decide sort of how much you want to fill it or not with the dots. possibly enough. So I was loosely looking at these colours here, and hopefully just a little bit of reflection from that into here. Okay, so these are the spray paints I'm going to be using. There's plenty of different colours, and I got these from Amazon. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of spray painting, and I've got the Box Smocking here. So I'm just going to look at, oops, can you see that? Yeah, this picture for influence of the colours. A little bit windy, so I'm a bit concerned. Nice. Gloves on. It's rather cool, isn't it? And finally, Leaf Smocking. Okay, so these are the 3 spray painted smocking pieces. You can see there's been some little drips there of the spray paint, but these have turned out. There's a really nice effect with the spray paint. You can see kind of like that 3D illusion. I think they look wonderful. So cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you're new to this channel and you'd like free content every week. That's what I post. Alright then, I shall see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves this week. See you shortly. Bye!